Hello everybody, it's Randy from Jacob's Triangle. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm shooting offhand, which I normally don't do. I'm normally on the tripod. But I decided to shoot offhand today because I'm going to do a really quick video making an announcement of something that's happening. So before I do that, let me give you some quick history. My family and I bought this property 3 years ago. We closed escrow on it June 30th of 2016. And ever since then, we have been working on trying to get things going so that we can put our home here. In December of 2018, we finally got our building permit so that we could start building our house. As soon as we got the building permit, we started trying to get our contractor going, and we kept having issues with that because of the weather. And the more weather we got a lot of rain, and it got more rain, then we got even more rain. So our foundation contractor just kept falling more and more behind. He's to the point where I think he was at least 2 months behind because of rain. Well, we finally gotten to a point where we have some work happening. We have something happening. I'm sure you can see behind me that there's a bobcat back there. There's more. Let me show you here. There are stakes, there are strings, there are chalk lines on the ground. These are not outlining bodies. This is outlining our house, showing where our foundation lines are going to be. We're going to be on a raised foundation, so this is going to be where the perimeter of the foundation is going to be. Now, I have been telling people that until something starts happening on the ground, I'm not going to get excited. Something's finally happening on the ground. I think next week on the 22nd is when he plans to start doing actual work on the foundation. So we're very close. I plan to document the building of the house. I'm going to make a playlist just for the building of the house, and I'm going to call it probably Building the House. That makes sense. So you'll be able to see the documentation of the house all in one library on my channel. Finally, I'm excited. Now, if you are interested in watching the building of this house, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notify button, the bell down there. Hit the notify button so you get notified when I make new videos. This house that we're building it is called an Endeavor. Well, the company who makes the house, it's a kit house, it's called Endeavor. I'll put a link to them down in the description. But what they do is they pre-frame the walls and deliver that to the site. The contractor will stand the frames up, and then once the wall frames are stood up, then the Endeavor will deliver the trusses that go on the roof to the tops of the wall frames, and then after that they just deliver materials. The house from that point on is built just like any other stick-built house would be built. I'm going to try to see if Endeavor will let me go to their factory to see how the walls are built. And if they'll let me do that, I will try to make a video of that and post that. I think it would be interesting for everybody to see. So, that is my big news. That's the announcement. Work is finally starting on the house. I'm excited. I hope that you're excited for me and that you will want to watch the progress along with me. I'm excited. Well, thank you for joining me today. I appreciate it very much. And like I said, if you want to watch the progress, subscribe, like, hit the notify button. Thank you very much for joining me today. We appreciate you very much. Bye.